welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Telegram not sending code. So let's get started. So if you're facing this error where you can't find the code of your Telegram in your SMS, now to fix that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Telegram and then try to log into your Telegram. So what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram application and then enter your mobile number. So what you can do is just simply tap on mobile number and then try to enter it. After entering your mobile number, just simply tap on next. And after tapping on next, now if you'll not receive a SMS in your phone, then what you have to do is you just have to simply open up the Telegram application and then check if you have received a message in your app. So if you don't have Telegram, then you might have logged in your Telegram in some other device. What you can do is just simply check if your Telegram is logged into any other device, and after checking that you will probably find the message. So here you can see guys, it's saying we have sent you a message in Telegram with the code. So you will basically receive a code in your Telegram. So you might have logged in your Telegram account in your browser or in your laptop. What you can do is just simply open it through that and you will find the 6-digit code. So I have already logged in my Telegram account. So if I'll just open up my Telegram, then I'll receive the code. And what I can do is just simply copy it from here and then paste it over there. And after entering the code here, you can see guys, now I can easily log into my account by just entering the password. And after entering the password, now I will just tap on next. And after tapping on next here, you can see guys, you have successfully logged in. So what you have to do is just simply check if you have logged in your Telegram account in some other devices. And after checking that, you will basically find your 6-digit code and you just have to enter it in your Telegram and you will be logged into your Telegram account. So just simply do this and you will find your Telegram and you can just simply use the Telegram application. So if this process does not work, then what you can do is just simply scan the QR code which you will receive. So you will receive a QR code from Telegram, and if you can scan this QR code, so to scan your QR code, what you have to do is just simply open up your Telegram application. And after opening your Telegram, just tap on the 3-bar icon which is on the top left and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, just simply scroll down and you will find device option. Just tap on it and then tap on link desktop device. And after tapping on that, now you just have to scan the QR code from here. And after scanning the QR code, you will be logged into your account. So you can also scan a QR code if you can't find a 6-digit code in your device. So even this process does not work, then you might have a problem with your Telegram application. What you can do is just simply tap and hold on your Telegram and then tap on the eye icon. After tapping on that, now simply tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear storage and clear cache, and that should fix your problem. And at last, just simply tap and hold on your power button and then restart your device. And after restarting your device, you should fix your problem and now you will receive a 6-digit code in your Telegram. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Telegram not sending code. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.